Hello everyone, I am Karthik Kechi studying in second year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today my topic is operators in OPS with Java. Introduction to operators in OPS with Java. Operators is an object-oriented program. OPS allows us to perform various operations on object. These operators work on attribute and behavior of object allows us manipulated interact with them. Java provide wide range of operators for different purpose in OPS. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. These operators are work on numeric data types that can applied both primitive and objective type. Example of arithmetic operators in Java, including addition and subtraction. Compression operators. Compression operators are used to compare two values in determine their relationship. These operators return Boolean value true or false based on compression result. Example compression operators in Java including equal, unequal, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, and lesser than or equal to. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions perform logical operator. These operators are commonly used conditional statement loop to control the flow of execution. Example of logical operators in Java including logical and logical or logical not. Assignment operator. Assignment operator used to assign a value to variable. These operators can perform simple assignment to or combine with them arithmetical or logical operators. Example assignment operators Java including simple assignment, addition, assignment, subtraction, assignment. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of variable by 1. These operators can apply both prefix or postfix. Example increment and decrement operators in Java. Increment and decrement. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform operation on individual bit on binary number. These operators are commonly used in low-level programming and advanced bitwise manipulation. Example bitwise operators in Java including bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, left shift, right shift, and unassigned right shift. Conditional operators. Conditional operators also known as operators in shorthand or if-else statement. It allows to evaluate condition and return different value based on result. The syntax of conditional operators Java in condition value and value 2. Precedence of operators. Operators in Java has different level of precedence which determine in order of evolution complex expression. Parentheses can be used to override default precedence and reinforce and a specific order evaluation. It's important to understand the rules to avoid unexpected result to error in code. Summary. Operators in OPS with Java allows us to perform various operations on object. Java provides and various operators including arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, increment and decrement, bitwise and conditional operators. Understanding different types of operators in their usage are essential for writing effective code in Java. Thank you one and all.